How to improve performance of this recursive function. I'm trying to write a function which will search str for a substr, taking into account different possibilities to write weird letters, such as a, e, o, a in Danish language. For example, you can search Aalborg and the function will return true if there is, say, Aalborg in the str. The function below works, but performance is unbearable. What would you recommend to improve performance?
This is a classic example of a parser. Read up on things like lex and yak. You won't need all of their functionality, but the principles still apply. After that, use the Python re module to match against the appropriate regular expressions. If you need more functionality, use the PyParsing libraries.
I think you should eliminate the recursion altogether. Instead of doing all that find and replace, you could, for example, decide upon a normal form of your input strings, convert them accordingly, replace those ambiguous characters, and do a simple. Note also that you don't need to call find and replace together, the latter surfaces. If the search string isn't found, replace just won't replace anything.
Try. I did not test its performance because op did not release any. I'll just assume the regex engine is better optimized than calling ops recursively and doing lots of .find and .replace. Here, the key letters in the search string are replaced by the possible equivalent classes in terms of regex, e.g. Aalborg becomes column OA, AA LB, OOH, RG. This regex should include all possible variants equivalent to Aalborg, or 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 Aalborg, as mentioned by 101100's comment. Then the regex is simply searched against the context.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.